Hello and welcome students. In this video today we are going to learn lesson number 2, which is memory storage devices. So let's begin. Now first we will learn what is memory storage devices. A computer's memory is the storage area where a data or information can be stored either permanently or temporarily. So when we use a computer for doing any sort of work, we want to save it somewhere, right? So that we can use it in the future. So there are certain memory devices which are some are inbuilt in the computer or some are connected to it to save our information. Now computers can understand only coded form of numbers, letters, words, etc., which is called as binary number concept. So just as the human brain, which helps us to memorize, is composed of cells, the computer's memory is made up of units of information known as bits. Okay? A bit is the smallest unit of information and it is expressed as either 0 or 1 in binary notation. Now we will learn about the measuring units of memory. So kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Now we will learn about the units of these memories. Okay? These units are useful in storing data in the computer storage devices. Now as we learned that the smallest unit is bits, so 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So byte is greater than the bits. Then we have 1 kilobyte, which is equal to 1024 bytes. Then we have 1 MB, which is the megabyte, which is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB, which is megabyte. And last is 1 terabyte, which is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Now if we see the order of from greatest to the smallest unit of memory, terabyte is the highest, then smaller than terabyte is gigabyte, gigabyte is greater than megabyte, megabyte is greater than kilobyte, kilobyte is greater than bytes, and bytes are greater than bits. Bits are the smallest and terabyte is the greatest. Okay. So now we learned how the information is stored on the memory devices in the form of bits, bytes, KB, MB, GB and TB. Now there are different types of memory devices. Okay. So first is primary or internal memory and second is secondary or external memory. So under primary memory we have RAM, which is random access memory, and second is ROM, which is read only memory. Note that both these primary memories are inbuilt in computer's CPU, which is the central processing unit. And then we have secondary memory. So first is hard disk. Hard disk can be found in the CPU of the computer or it can be connected externally to the computer. Second is floppy disk. Third is pen drive. Fourth is CD. Now there are two kinds of CD. CD-R, which is compact disc recordable, and CD-RW, which is compact disc rewritable, and last is DVD, which is digital versatile disc. So first we will learn about primary or internal memory. So first primary memory is RAM. The full form of RAM is random access memory. It is temporary memory of the computer. The information stored in RAM is lost when the computer is switched off. It is the main memory of computer and also called read and write memory. You can see in the image how RAM looks like. Then we have ROM. The full form of ROM is read-only memory. It is a permanent memory. The information can only be read. You cannot make changes in that information. On switching off the computer, the information will not be lost or deleted. So, if you open your computer back again, you will find that information and you can go through it again. The ROM looks like the image that has been given here.